Hi, I'm Colleen.
And I'm Caitlin. Welcome to our CrafterNoon adventures. Today's craft is a bit different. It is a DIY survival kit, and with the summer coming up, I thought it would be a good idea to make one of these. So we have our Altoids tin that's obviously empty. If you can grab anything that's about this size, that'll be perfect for your kit. So on the inside, we just printed out from CPRtoday.com. They have a free CPR little credit card size tab that talks about how to do CPR for adults, children, and infants. So we just taped that with some double-sided tape into the kit. And then we started assembling it. So we collected all the contents and we had to construct it. So we had to fold a lot of things, cut a lot of things, make it a lot smaller so that it would actually fit into this kit. We do not have a knife, but a knife would be very important for your kit. So if you could grab, like, if you have a little razor, you could put it in your duct tape. And how I made this little duct tape envelope is I took a piece of cardboard, I took about a foot of duct tape, and I just wrapped it around over and over and over again, and then I made a little folded tab so it's into a little triangle so that it's easy to pull off. And you can use duct tape for many purposes for holding things, and it would be a safe way to save something like a razor, which can be used as a hammer, for gear adjustments, a stake, for tool making, for a plier, for digging, as a weapon, for first aid, for splitting wood or cutting bark off. Then you want to have something for combustion. So we have a box of matches that you could stick in your kit. You could just take a few with you, or it is small enough to fit in here too. And you could also bring like a cotton ball or something, and Vaseline will light it as well. You also want some kind of cordage, so we took a lot of floss and we just wrapped it in a rubber band. Cordage can help you build in this a shelter. It can help repair clothing. It could be used as a fishing line. Something that could contain water. Your canister itself could contain water. You could also bring a little Ziploc baggie, like a very tiny one, and stick it in here as well. You also want some kind of first aid, obviously. So you want some kind of bandages, and then we have these little alcohol prep pads, so you could have those as well. You definitely want something for communication, so we 3D printed these little whistles out, and they're small enough to fit in your kit as well. And you could attach them to a lanyard, to your backpack, or just keep them in your kit itself. You'll want like a compass, you'll want pins and needles, so we put some safety pins in our kit. Again, that could get out splinters for your first aid kit, or they can help you with navigation or to repair apparel. You could also use the safety pin as a sort of hook. And then we packed some aluminum foil, so we folded it up nice and small so that it would fit in our kit. Aluminum foil can act as a reflector and can hopefully get someone to notice that you're stuck or in a bad situation. And the last thing you need to do is be able to fit it all back inside. Let's see how we do. So now you're done. You fit everything in there, and now you can feel more safe and secure going out camping this summer with your DIY survival kit. We hope you enjoyed today's craft. Most projects we demonstrate can be made in under an hour and require a few basic tools or supplies.
Have questions or suggestions for future videos? Use the comment section below and we'll add it to our list. Thanks for watching, and remember the Makerspace mantra.
The only limit is your imagination.